Hey guys, today's review is also a comparison. We have the dewalt, this is a kobalt. We have the dewalt kit light, comes in most of their kits. You can also buy it standalone, as well as the kobalt kit light, and once again, it comes standalone as well. So, let's go ahead and get illuminated, guys. So, first up here, we have the kobalt. Whether or not you can see, I have no idea because I'm not behind the camera. It is 100% a floodlight. Now, with this light, you have a lot of options. You've got multi-position head, but not only that, you have multiple light levels. You have high and low. Next up, the dewalt. The dewalt is very much a spotlight. If you need to get in and just see something in particular, it's great for that. Not so much if you need to illuminate an area. Together, they're a great team. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so while I wouldn't usually make you sit through some specs, this is something I do feel is kind of important just because of the vast difference in the two. The dewalt light, while they do make something similar to that, and kobalt makes something similar to this is what each company has decided to add into their kits when you buy them. The dewalt light is only 110 lumens. It's not a lot, but it's focused. The kobalt, on the other hand, in its high setting, is 700 lumens. That's quite a good bit. However, it's dispersed out in a flood. On its low setting, it's 300 lumens. That's still 3 times as much as the dewalt. Now, obviously, depending on what you're using them for, you can get, varying results. The kobalt, that floodlight is just great, and in here you can't really tell how good that flood is. But I've used it for putting away the chickens or hunting for chickens that were missing in the middle of the night, and that thing will light up the yard. Trust me, it's amazing. Now, let's break on down to their specs. The dewalt has a head that pivots up and down, basically. That's what you get out of it. And their hook, their word, not mine, is really just a loop ring that needs a hook to hang from. It is definitely lighter, definitely more focus oriented. But then, let's look at the kobalt. The kobalt has a hook, a real hook, that can be swiveled wherever you want it, and then stored away when you don't want it. Its head also swivels all over when you want it and when you don't want it. So between the two, you can really get the light where you want it. But then one more very important thing. That's not metal. One more very important thing. The spine is magnetic. So you can take this, put it underneath of a hood, put it onto whatever's metal around you, and you can potentially have this hanging anywhere. And the magnets are quite strong. I've had it hanging right up and down. I've had it hanging face up. It doesn't slide down. It doesn't move. It's just there. Hey guys, so the first light we're reviewing is the dewalt spotlight from the kit. As you can see, Kayla's holding it there. Got a good focus beam. Move out to the field. So you got some pretty good distance on it. You've got a small area of illumination, but overall pretty good. Now this is the kobalt. As you can see, you have a much wider field of view. Still very bright, but you don't have any real distance. And if she goes ahead and knocks it down a tab, not a ton of difference, but extremely more battery time.